Obviously, it's a very exciting time for the data center industry, for the cloud industry, and for Level 3 as a global network provider. I think what we're seeing is that organizations have a great opportunity to move to the cloud and take advantage of cloud resources, take advantage of big data, take advantage of analytics to help run their business in a better way. But what we've also found is that this is not an event, it's a journey, and organizations need help, they need support, they need guidance in terms of how they transform to the cloud. And what we are finding is that a global network, a global platform is a critical enabler to help them make that transformation. But customers need guidance, they need help in terms of the roadmap as well. We're seeing areas of very good adoption. We've seen a number of use cases where organizations have gone from a traditional environment to an online and a digital environment. A national newspaper we work with, for example, a global recruitment company. But we are also seeing other organizations haven't yet been able to make that step. In our customer base, a good 50% have got a good foot in the door in terms of cloud and digital transformation. There's another 50% that they've got pockets, but they need help, they need assistance. We've just done some research with our own customer advisory board. There are a range of issues. There's a range of issues around legacy technology. There's a range of issues around different contracts, different SLAs. But the three prime issues we have seen is one, lack of access to expertise and resource and the right talent. Two, this issue of having to manage and integrate across different platforms, different SLA arrangements, different contracts. And the third one is security and making sure the environment is secure, internal data is secure, customers' data is secure, and transactions are secure.
Among the companies that you would say are a success, what does good practice look like for them, especially in terms of the cloud?
We're spending a lot of time here, and this is where we think, as a global network provider, we can offer a lot of help. What we've seen with those companies is they put planning into how they're going to move to the cloud, and then they put building blocks in place. And then they steadily work through those building blocks to deliver on their strategy. The building blocks we see is that to enable this transformation, you have to have a network to enable the client to connect with in-house resources, but also connect to the new resources they will be using through public cloud providers. The network has to be both high speed and high capacity, because all we're going to see is more data, more content, more material, more data coming off things that needs to be accessed and housed and retrieved by people who can make decisions. And then we see that security has to be built in from day one and not an afterthought.